Hello everybody, SF Simple here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to upload videos on Pinterest. It's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, open your Pinterest app and then here you can see a plus icon in the top button side. Then click on plus icon and then click to the pin options. After that you will see lots of your galleries option. Just choose your videos. Here you can see videos of mine. Just click to the next options and then you can choose the cover image and then click to the next options. After that the video will be processed and then you can add title, description and destination, website and schedule. You can also add alternative text. After that you will see the video is now uploading. Just click to the next options and then your video will upload. So that's the process how you can upload videos on Pinterest. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.